Hey friends, let's do No More Mr. Nice Guy, guitar lesson by Alice Cooper. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the D string 7, G, the 9 and the B 10, do that 2 times. And then come back to 8 on the B, so we have 7D, 9G, 8 on the B, play that once. And then go 7D, 7G, 8 on the B 2 times. Then play open G, D string 7, slide to 9, 7 on the G, and then jump back to the D, 9, pull off the 7, pull off to the open. And we do that 4 times. So. And that's the first guitar part there. Now let's have a look at the next part. We'll have 2 sections here. We'll have guitar 1 and guitar 2, which is a solo, so we play that first part for you. So we're just starting with this B minor, and then we're playing 9 on the A and the D, 7 A and D, 9 A and D, so. And then play 7 on the D and the G. So. Then do an E chord, do an E sus4, so we just got the 10 on the B string 2 times, back to 9. So. Go back to the B minor, we're doing down, up, down, and then we do that riff again. 9, 7, 9, 7, 7. This time go E, E sus4, we stop there, and then back to E 2 times, and then 7 on the A, D and G. So, go back to the first one again. B minor, 9, 7, 9, 7, 7. This time do the E sus4 2 times, and E 2 times. And that's guitar 1 for our intro. Now let's have a look at that little solo that's playing there as well. So we're just starting with a bend on the 9th fret on the G. Then release the bend, pull off to 7 and do a bend on 10 on the B. Go back to G9, 2 bends. Then bend and release, pull off to 7. Bend on 10 again, B. Then this next one, bend on the 9G and hold the 7B. Release the 9, pull off to the 7 on the B, 10 bend and release. G, 9 bend, 7 and then bend on the 9 again, and then we're sliding back to the 2nd fret, and that's the start of the verse there. And that's our little solo for the intro, then we have our verse. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. So we're just playing an A bar chord. We're going to go down, up, down. Hold for a bar, then C sharp minor, hold for a bar, G, bar chord, hold for a bar, B minor, hold for a 2 count, and then go D power chord, E power chord, or the bar chords there. And just do that twice back to the A. C sharp minor, G, B minor, D, E. And that's guitar 1 for the verse. We do that through 2 times, and then we have this little solo there, so we do that for you. So we're just playing 2nd fret on the G string, and this is coming from our 9th fret bend on the intro. 2nd fret G, 1st fret G, open G, and then go 4th fret G, 7 and then 9 bend, come back, 2nd fret on the G, bend on 9 again, G, first fret on the G, bend on 9 again, on the G, open G, 4th fret G, and then just play 7, 9. So all on the G string there, and that's our verse. Now let's have a look at our pre-chorus. So we just got F sharp minor 3 times. So we're doing down, down, stop, and then down again. B minor, same. Then play the B minor power chord, slide up to D, and then 2 more. Do the E power chord, or E bar chord, then play it again, E sus4, E. So then just repeat that all again, F sharp minor, B minor, B slide up to D, and our E. And there's a little solo there as well. Let me do that for you. So we've got 9, hammer on to 11 on the D, G, 9, 11, 9, and we have the next fill. So again, 9, hammer on to 11 on the D, G, 9, 11, and then bend on 12 on the B. And that gets us ready for the chorus. Let me do that for you. So we're starting on this F sharp minor chord, so just play 11 D, 11 G and 10 on the B and slide back. And then play 11 on the G, 10 on the B and pull off to 9 and 9. And then 11 D and G, 9 D and G. So. And then we're doing E, down, up, and then do E sus4, down, back to E. Then repeat that again, the F sharp minor slide, our little pull off. 11, now go 9 on the D and the G, 11 D and G, and then just do a D shape there. We're going to play 9 on the G, 10 on the B, and then 10 on the B, 9 on the E. So, do the F sharp minor again, our pull off. 11, 9, hold the 9, then just go 9 D and G, 7 D and G, and then do that second one again without it. And that's guitar 1. Now guitar 2 is just doing the bends on the 12th fret on the B string. That's coming from the pre-chorus, and we do a bend and play. Bend, play. Bend, play, and then just bend up there, all on the 12th fret on the B string, bending up and then playing the note and giving it some vibrato. And that's the chorus there. Then we just go back to that first intro, play it through 4 times, and we have some little solos there. Let me play them for you. So D, 14 to G, 12, 14. Jump to B, 14, bend twice, and then just hold 14. But the next fill, bend on 12E, bend 12E again, 12B, and go to 11G. So. Then we have the pre-chorus, and that's the same. We have these little fills in there as well. So first one. So just 11 on the D, 9 on the G, 11G, and bend 12 on the B. And then the next one, we're just sliding up to 12 on the B and then doing a bend on the 4th fret G. Then from there we go to the chorus, and it's the same, guitar 1 and 2. Then our next verse, guitar 1's basically doing the same as our previous verses. A, hold, C sharp minor, G, B minor, hold for 2, then just go to D for 2. Do that 2 times. And the third time through, we're going to do the A again, but we're going to do it down, down, up, down, up. C sharp minor the same. Down, down, up, down, up. G the same, down, down, up, down, up. B minor, go down, down, D, up, E, up. So that second part. And do that through 2 times, and it's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're just playing 7 on the D, 9 G, 10 B, 9 E. Then come back 7 D, 9 on the G, B and E. And then 5 on the D, 7 on the G, 8 on the B, 7 on the E. And then just do B minor to D. And do that 2 times, and then we have the third guitar there. So just bend and release on 5 on the B, 2 G, do that again, bend and release 5 to 1, bend and release on the 5B, open G 4 times, 4 on the G 2 times, B 3, 5, bend and release, back to 2, bend and release on the 5, back to 1 on the G, bend and release to the open on the G, and then the 4 again on the G, B, 3, 5, and that's guitar 3 there. So to finish off, we play the chorus through 2 times, and we just have this last section, we're just repeating the end of the chorus. So we have 9 on D and G, 11 on D and G, 9 on G, 10 on B, and then 9 on E, 10 on B. Just do that 2 times and finish on A. And there are all the parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed No More Mr. Nice Guy guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal songs, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more. And I'll see you soon.